Breastfeeding is a natural and beautiful way to nourish your baby. But many new moms can feel nervous or self-conscious about breastfeeding in public. In this video, we'll share some helpful tips for breastfeeding in public, so you can feel confident and comfortable wherever you go. Tip 1. Use a nursing cover or scarf to cover up if you prefer. This can help you feel more comfortable and give you privacy while breastfeeding. Tip 2. Try breastfeeding in a baby carrier. This can be a convenient and discreet way to nurse your baby while you're out and about. Tip 3. Find a quiet, private spot if you can. Look for a nursing room or a quiet corner where you can breastfeed without distractions. Tip 4. Practice breastfeeding in different positions before you go out. This can help you find the most comfortable and discreet position for you and your baby. Tip 5. Know your rights. In many countries, including the US, it is legal to breastfeed in public. Don't be afraid to stand up for yourself and your baby if someone tries to make you feel uncomfortable. By following these tips, you can breastfeed in public with confidence and ease. Remember, you're giving your baby the best possible start in life, and that's something to be proud of. Thanks for watching. We hope these tips have been helpful for new moms who are breastfeeding in public. You can follow Baby Food Adventure YouTube channel for more tips.